find the angle between the minute hand of the clock and the hour hand of the clock when the time is 7:20 am. Now, we know the hour hand complete the rotation in 12 hours, right? And while minute hand complete in 60 minutes. That means angle traced by hour hand in 12 hours is how much? Is 360 degree, because it completed one revolution in 12 hours. So in 12 hours it's complete 360 degree. Hence in 7 hours 20 minutes, that is 22 by 3 hours, it will becomes 360 upon 12 into 22 upon 3, that is equal to 220 degree. Here we have applied the unitary method कि 12 आवर्स में कितने डिग्री एंगल बन रहा है, तो 1 आवर में कितना बनेगा और 7 आवर 20 मिनट में कितना बनेगा. नाउ फॉर द एंगल ट्रेस्ड बाय मिनट एंड 60 मिनट, राइट, इज इक्वल टू 360 डिग्री, बिकॉज मिनट एंड complete one revolution in 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes it complete 360 degree. So in 20 minutes it will become 120 degree. So the required angle between two ends, that is hour end and minute end, at 7:20 am is 220 minus 120 is equal to 100 degree. We have to take the difference between two angles, which is 220 minus 120, that is 100 degree. That's it.